Bullish Chiliz, CHZ. Cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.341858 and $0.645731 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach $0.265889 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.060775. Chiliz, CHZ. Presentation Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer-in-chief of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz, CHZ? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices, and furthermore offers prizes for taking part in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz is right now worth $0.075968 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 0.27% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $26,244,105. Chiliz is right now positioned 73 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $535,815,106 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz, CHZ. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Chiliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Chiliz, CHZ. Value forecast 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. CHZ. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.113953. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous. However, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.106356 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.091162. Chiliz, CHZ. Value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Chiliz CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.189921. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.151937 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.167130. Chiliz, CHZ. Value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.265889, and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.243099 and a low of $0.227905 in 2025. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Chiliz effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.341858, with a base cost of $0.303873 and a typical cost of $0.319067. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.395035 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.379842 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $0.417826. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.471004. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.493794, neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $0.455810. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.531778 and a yearly cost close above $0.569763 in 2029. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.607747 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.645731, averaging out at $0.622941. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort